So those of you who are in on Ondo, this is a big RWA play in my opinion, and I think that this thing has a ton of potential. So also, President-elect Trump thinks so as well. So we're going to talk about why this thing has surged in the recent days, hitting a new all-time high just 15 hours ago. Let's get into it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X if you're watching on there. And let's get into it here. So Ondo hits a new all-time high following a purchase by Trump's crypto project. So it soared to a new all-time high of $2.14 early today. Arkham Intelligence says that Donald Trump's crypto project, World Liberty Financial, has spent about 250,000 USDC to acquire 134,000 Ondo tokens. This triggered a short-term surge in Ondo's price, obviously driving up the volume there. It drove the RWA-based token to its all-time high before it witnessed a slight correction. So obviously that hit some resistance points and retraced back down a little bit. But it surged in trading volume and it accompanies the asset price rally. This suggests the price increase is backed by actual demand for the asset, not just hype and speculation. The potential for sustained upward momentum here is pretty decent as more traders are actively buying the asset. We can see the rising on balance volume here. This confirms the accumulation trend. Sits at a 7-month high of 1.74 billion, increasing by 3% over the past 24 hours. So this on the day chart here, this is Ondo on the day chart. It's trading slightly below its all-time high at it's sitting right now about to $2.04. So the $2.14 has basically formed the resistance level because it it failed to go any further above there. So if we do see it come down, an entry point that we could be looking at, as long as we can bounce off support, is about $1.79. So that's its next major support level. Hopefully, things will continue up here for Ondo, especially with the growing demand that we're seeing. And we're going to take a look at the chart here on CoinMarketCap. $2.04 right now, still up, just over 9% over the last 24 hours. Market cap sitting at 2.83 billion, and like I mentioned, all-time high was about 15 hours ago. So that is really cool. That's really nice to see Ondo, being recognized as one of those big RWA players, right? We also had, a couple of decent. Couple of decent announcements here. BounceBit partners with ONDO Finance for tokenized real-world assets. So they have basically entered them into their C DeFi V2 platform, and so it's they're adding them to basically their vision for real-world assets as well. So let's jump back over here. So there's a number of different things going on for Ondo, and I've really noticed this thing as a standout, outlier in some of the in the last recent couple of weeks, right? I've seen it, it's up there. The price action has been very noticeable kind of thing. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys, let you guys know what's going on there. President Trump, obviously, his World Liberty Finance has acquired some Ondo, so we'll wait and see what happens here. There's a number of different things that Trump has been coming out with in support of crypto, and it'll be interesting to see what all he does acquire and what he kind of backs, so to speak. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.